Streaky bacon is considered one of the tastiest varieties of bacon, and I completely agree. I love it because it's got the perfect ratio of fat to meat, which means it stays nice and juicy throughout the cooking process. I also love it because it comes in long strips, so it makes it really versatile to cook with. So what I'm going to do is show you a really delicious snack using spring onions and streaky bacon. What I'll do is just cut this bacon into a few thinner strips, and I'll just trim the dark ends of the spring onions. And now what I do is get one piece of the streaky bacon and wrap it entirely around the spring onion. Now, just to ensure it stays in place, use a few toothpicks to go straight through the bacon, through the spring onions, and that'll ensure it stays in place when they cook. Now I'm going to place this in a hot grill pan. You can do this on the barbecue and cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until they're really crispy and caramelized on the outside, and until the spring onions have softened. These look pretty good. You can see how crispy they are on the outside. Make sure you take off the toothpicks, and I like to serve this with a little bit of lemon. That is a really fast snack to have with streaky bacon.